Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel Every Little Thing. Today we are going to make a Japanese sponge cake. Here are the ingredients. So let's start. Take 3 eggs. Take 3 tablespoons of melted butter. Take 6 tablespoons of maida. Take 5 tablespoons of powdered sugar. Take 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar. Take half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now separate 3 egg yolks. Now you can see we have 3 egg yolks separated with whites. Take 3 tablespoons of milk. Take 20 grams of corn flour. Take 1 teaspoon of baking powder and baking soda each. Now take the melted butter and mix it with milk in a bowl. Add granulated sugar to the mixture. Add some maida to it. Now add corn flour. Give it a stir. And now add baking powder and baking soda. And also add 3 egg yolks to the mixture. Give it a stir until you find a smooth batter. Now take the separated egg whites in a separate bowl. Squeeze some lime to it. Add powdered sugar in 3 separate batches. Stir well. You can use a hand blender, but I'm using a manual stirrer here. And now we shall preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. While the oven is preheating, let's add half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. And remember, the egg white batter should be stirred until there are peaks formed in it. Then mix the egg white batter to the yolk. Give it a gentle stir. Pour the batter to the tin or a silicone tray. Remember, if you're using a tin, grease it well with the butter in the insides and dust it with a plain flour. Now keep the tray inside the preheated oven for 60 minutes at 150 degrees Celsius temperature. And keep checking at regular intervals by piercing a toothpick or a fork. Now you can see our cake is done. Let's check it out how well it is cooked from inside. Wow, look at it. It looks so spongy and moist. If you liked the video, do like, share, and please don't forget to hit the bell icon for the latest updates. Happy cooking!